This is Ayush from RV College of Engineering, and here I am to present my major project. So I will be briefing about how I actually made that project and all the techniques which I prepared. So let me start. So actually my project is based on machine learning, and we are trying to use a decision support system in which we will be controlling our HVAC systems or as well as Windows blind systems, and we will be maintaining ambient room temperature also. So these will help in two ways. First, energy saving will be achieved through my project if it is implemented, and second is it will provide us thermal comfort, like neutral thermal comfort to all the users. So let me start with the explanation. So when we talk about some thermal comfort, so it is like how you are feeling currently in the environment, in the room you are sitting in, right? So it is like if you are feeling cold, or you may be feeling warm, or you may be feeling neutral, right? So our main agenda is to make the individual feel neutrally thermal comfort, like neutral thermal comfort, and thus it is so what we have done is we have made a ML module machine learning module in which we have collected few of the data sets. Few of the data points are first is individual data. So first is age, clothing insulation, metabolic rate, heart rate variability, and all these. And second is indoor temperature and the room temperature of the room. Plus the outside is outside temperature, air velocity, mean radiant temperature, and other several factors. So our main agenda is see, if your age is less, right, so you may feel cold. Similarly, if old age people feel cold as compared to the same environment conditions, the mediocre people, like the medium age people, feel neutral, right? So that's what our major agenda is, to consider the age as a major factor which is influencing the thermal comfort. So when we start about the ML module, so we have taken the dataset from RP824 dataset, which is already available on openly. So we have taken that and we have done our more major data pre-processing steps and feature extraction steps to get some of the very important factors which are really influencing the thermal comfort, right? So I have just made one of the algorithms which is not just used it, not made it. So it is like SVM. So we have used SVM to classify the data into which the user is feeling cold, warm, or neutral thermal comfort. So this is how we are trying to classify our data sets, and once we get the classification, then what we will do is we will predict the temperature range for thermal comfort plus 0. So we will be predicting it. Suppose now it is you are feeling warm, but if the temperature range is maintained from so and so, from 23 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade, you will feel thermally neutral. So that's what our main agenda is. So this is our prediction thing. Once this temperature range comes from that is predicted, we map it to our mapper function, and then we fetch it to give it to the controller module. So what our controller module does is it gets the temperature range, then it checks all the appliances in the room, such as windows blinds, our heater, our air conditioner, and every other things. So and then maintains the same amount of the temperature which is required for neutral thermal comfort. So by this we will be saving energy, as well as the individual will feel neutral. So how we will be saving energy is suppose the windows blind are open, okay, and AC is running. So AC is now working to put you into thermal comfort also, plus it is also compensating for all the heat which is coming inside the room through these windows, right? So once we get this decision support system, will analyze, okay, user is feeling little cold, so it will open the window. User is feeling little warm, it will close the windows, and accordingly operate all the other appliances. So by this we have already conducted many experiments to check that we are achieving energy savings or not, and by this we were able to achieve 3 to 4%, which is not a very big number, but it is a number, right? So this is how we are trying to deal with it. So that's all from my side. Thanking you.